Northwest hiker here. There's the view out my back door. The surf is up. Lake Mohave. So if I can hold this camera a little steadier. Well, the lake is rough. Wouldn't want to be out there in a boat. Wind's blowing about 35 miles an hour. It's a nasty one. At least it's all nice and sunny out. It's getting colder. It's supposed to be down below freezing tonight. That's the day after Christmas, so it's that time of year. Last year it was 82 degrees on Christmas Day. Yesterday was nice. It was about 65. It was almost dead calm all day. One of the few calm days I've had in quite a while. A lot more wind down here this year. Maybe I got lucky last year. The weather's so nice and not windy every day. It's a blowing. I don't know if the wind's tearing up the mic on this camera or not. Had to send my GoPro back. So using my Nikon. I'll see how that comes out. This takes halfway decent video. Not quite as good as my GoPro though. Bonking on the door. All my solar panels are laying down, so I'm not getting very good solar charge today. Oh, there goes the door. Now my antennas are all managing to stay up. My IMAX 2000. Blasting the door. What's Rocky doing, huh? Did you have a good Christmas yesterday? You ran around enough.